we have participated in KazBuild 30 2024. We were very happy to be here. We have seen a lot of clients, potential clients, customers, and it was a success exhibition for us. And we like to participate the next year also. And we are finding customers from many other countries, not from the only Kazakhstan, but Uzbekistan and the nearby CIS countries. So till now it has been a pleasant experience, and it was good to be here, and always excited to be in the KazBuild. Thank you.